Hello everyone, I'm Kaluna Spitfire and I'm a variety streamer on Twitch. Have you ever wanted to do a Q&A style stream but feel a little overwhelmed with keeping up with all the questions that might come up in chat and don't really have an easy way to look at the questions all together and organize them? There is a free, which we love, and easy way to do it using Mix It Up Bot, and today I'm going to show you how easy it can be to set it up. First off, I do want to say that I love Mix It Up Bot just in general. I switched to it from another bot about a year ago, and I am so impressed with all the things that it can do. It works with so many other programs that streamers commonly use, and it gives you a lot of creative tools to make things happen at the touch of a button, such as by Stream Deck, redeeming channel points, or even working with your light systems for some people, interacting with raids, hype trains, things like that. This video is 100% not sponsored in any way, but I really do just enjoy Mix It Up Bot that much for so many reasons, and this Q&A style piece is one of those reasons. Before we begin, you will want to have Mix It Up Bot downloaded and installed and attached to your Twitch channel. I believe it also works with YouTube channel chat, but I am not a YouTube streamer, so I am not sure about any of that. You also will want to choose if you would like to make a chat command like !ask, and then the person asks a question right after they do the command, or if you would rather a channel point redeem where they must put in words, their question, as part of the channel point redeem. So you can choose either one. I highly recommend the channel point redeem because you can easily stop and turn on questions whenever you want, and have a little bit more control as the streamer. But either one works just as well. If you want to create a chat command option, you will first open up the command section of the main menu of the bot. Once there, click New Command and give your new command a name. I will go with !ask. It will open up a command editor box, and you will want to go to the bottom drop-down menu and select File, Read and Write, and press the plus button. Once there, choose the Action drop-down menu and change it to say Append to File. Select a file path, choose the folder or location you want the file to go to, and then create the file name followed by .csv. I have called mine questions1.csv and save. In the text to save, type quotations, $, quotations. Then at the bottom of the command editor box, press the save icon. If you want to create a channel point redeem option, you will first open up the Twitch channel points section on the main menu of the bot. Once there, click Create New Channel Point Reward and give your new command a name. I will go with Ask a Question. It will open up a command editor box, and you will want to go to the bottom drop-down menu and select File, Read and Write, and press the plus button. Once there, select the Action drop-down menu and change it to say Append to File. Select a file path. Choose the folder or location you want the file to go to, and then create the file name followed by .csv. I have called mine questions2.csv. In the text to save, type quotations, $, quotation. Press the save icon. Then you will want to go to the channel point editor on your Twitch page. The easiest way to get there, if this is your first time doing it, is to go to Stream Manager. Then choose Viewer Rewards, Channel Points, and open up Manage Rewards and Challenges. Your channel point will appear as one channel point at the top, and press Edit. You can edit the look of the button, how much it costs, the cooldown for viewers, and if you want to let them do one question about each stream, etc. So many choices. The most important thing you have to use is the one that is called Require Viewer to Enter Text. Make sure that it is checked and purple, and save when you are done making your other edits. If you do not do this part, the people will redeem it and ask their question after it's been redeemed, but it won't go into your file properly. So it needs to be a part of the redeem itself. It is important to note that if you are not yet affiliate on Twitch, you will not have channel point options. So you must use text command options instead until you get affiliate. To test out your new command and channel point redeems, go into your chat on Twitch. Even offline, this will work. For chat commands, type the chat command, then a space, and a practice question. I have done exclamation ask question 1. Do this for several in a row. Exclamation ask question 2, exclamation ask question 3, exclamation ask question 4, etc. For channel point redeems, select the channel point redeem, and when the text box comes up, type the example questions there instead. Question 1, then do it again and again for a few other ones. Question 2, question 3, question 4, etc. Okay, it's now time to open up the files and see our questions. Go to where you stored the files and open up the Excel document. The questions will be listed in the order they were received, and you can answer them by looking at this file. It is important to note that while the document is open, no new questions can be added to it. So if your chat is still using the command during that time, the questions do not get added to the document because it's open. So you might want to turn off the channel point redeem or warn chat when you're opening up the document, and copy and paste those or save the file as something else as a temporary file so you can answer the questions that are there at that time, and then let chat fill new questions in the original file after it's been closed. Once it's closed, it will continue to be able to be used like normal. This is also why I found it best to have the command be attached to a channel point redeem rather than the text command, because you can pause or turn off when you don't want chat to be using it. And that is it. It is such an easy thing to set up and a great free option for streamers. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please let me know if there are more instructional videos you would like to see more of in the future, and let me know them in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and check out some more of my videos like this one on how to add your pronouns and see others' pronouns in Twitch chat.